What's up, guys? We'll be live here in just seconds. Let me get set up here very quickly.
Hi, how are you?
You guys have any coins you want us to look at? Let us know. Alright, let me make sure the sound is working. Test, 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 test. Alright, that is working. And we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Juju Coin, what's going on with that, because I know recently we're getting a pump, but is this another pump that's legit, or is it another fake out? We will look at that. I'll let you know what I think about that. Personally, I'm not super bullish on it right now, but we'll see what happens on Juju Coin. So those are the things that we're going to look at today. And then if you guys want to look at any other meme coins, we will. I have some other meme coins I'm looking at, like FLO, KI, and then Froge Coin, however you say that. But right now I'm not looking at any positions on FLO coin because it looks like it's just straight down. I was going to buy it yesterday. I'm glad I waited because it's down 93% today. Holy crap. Okay. Well, yeah. Talk about pump and dump. Holy crap. Alright, let's talk about Bitcoin very quickly, and then we'll get into Juju Coin and all the other meme coins I'm looking to invest in, although FLO is probably off the list as of now after looking at that chart. Alright, quickly, Bitcoin's at 34,000. It is not looking very bullish right now. We did bounce off of support at 33.3, and our next resistance would be 34.750. I think we got rejected off of that about a few hours ago, but you're not looking very bullish. You got the buy signal on the Bollinger Bands, but you're not getting any more buy signals on the 15-minute chart. And right now, Bitcoin just isn't looking very strong. So I do expect, unfortunately, I do expect Bitcoin to probably retest $33,000, $33.3, and see what happens there. I'm hoping for a bounce, but I'm not confident we'll get one. We could go see 30 to 31K. I don't think that's going to happen just yet. We'd have to break 33.3 first. But we'll see what happens when we revisit the $33,000 level, which will probably happen later tonight, early tomorrow morning, if we don't get any other bullish news for crypto or Bitcoin. And right now it does not look good. Some of the indicators are saying we should get a bounce here, but the buy and sell indicators are not looking good right now. So just to be aware of that when you're trading. This is the coin I was looking to invest in yesterday when it was all the way up at 1. I'm glad I didn't because it's now down 93%. Today. This is the 30-minute chart. If you guys are on YouTube, you can see this. This is a coin I was interested in buying because it was already down like 90+% from all-time high. Now it's probably down 99% from all-time high. But now this is a coin I'm definitely not touching until I see a major uptrend or a bounce, because at this point it's probably going to go zero unless we get a major bounce here. It's down 92.7% on the day, so we'll see what happens. Not a coin I'd be looking at. Let's look at Juju Coin because I know that's why some of you guys are here. Juju Coin right now, let's see, you do have a bounce, and if I go back to this, on the day, we were only down 6.5%. It was like 30%, I think, at one point. What I'm thinking is, remember, in this downtrend, we've had multiple pumps. We had a 100% pump, or like 105% pump a week or two ago, and then that just went back down. We had a 50 or 60% pump just days ago. That went back down, and now we made new all-time lows just a day or two ago. And now getting another pump here, which I don't think is going to do much because we had, so I actually exited my Juju position because I can't take it anymore and I want to see a bounce, and I'm not going to hold it to zero. Not that I think it's going to zero, but I got out at 24.35 or right about that, maybe a little bit lower. So I'm actually on silence win. So basically where we're at right now is where I got out, maybe a little bit, a little bit lower. So maybe right here. But I'm not bullish on this until we can get above this resistance line right here at the 3 level. And then maybe if we get above that and are in an uptrend for multiple days in a row and we just don't have one quick pump and then dump again. If we are in an uptrend for multiple days in a row on Juju Coin, I would become bullish on it again and I'd probably reinvest money in it. But right now I'm not bullish on Juju Coin. It does not look good. And I can't hold something if I just think there's a chance it goes to zero. I don't think it will, but I do think there's there's always a small chance it goes to zero, no matter what. It does have a use case, but remember, it is a meme coin, so we have to be, thinking about all that stuff. Another coin I was somewhat interested in buying, but doesn't have a lot of volume, was this coin. FROGE. The deck score is 99, so that is good. The holders it has, how many holders does it have? 4,200, so that's pretty good. But there's not a lot of volume, which worries me. The volume is like 10,000, which is extremely low. I mean, extremely, extremely low. I know on Juju Coin we have a 300,000 volume, and we think that's low. So probably, again, not a coin I'd buy, but one that could be a potential buy in a few days here. But so I'm keeping it on my list of things to watch, but right now it's definitely not a buy. Same with FLO. And Juju, in my opinion, is still not a buy until you see it uptrend for multiple days in a row, like 2 or 3 days in a row. And when that happens, I'd be interested in buying it again. But I wouldn't be surprised if we came back down here and made new all-time lows and went down to 1. Right now we're at 2.4 on Juju Coin. So we'll see what happens. We're still down on the date on Juju Coin, so just be aware of that. Yeah, Bitcoin doesn't look good either. We could see $33,000 again, unfortunately. So that's kind of what I'm looking at for Juju Coin. I will say this: if Bitcoin gets above $36,000, I think we go to $38,000. If we get above $38,000, I think we go to $42,000 very quickly. If we can get above $42,000, I think we go to $47K in a day or two. So, and then I would expect, if we do get up that high, I would expect a major rejection off of the 47K level. But that's kind of what I'm looking at for all these coins right now. Nothing looks good. Absolutely nothing. Nothing looks good. Now, if you're going to buy, buy when there's support. Don't randomly buy just because it's down a little bit for the day. Be aware of that. If you guys have any coins you would like me to look at, let me know. Otherwise, that's going to be it. So, a very quick update. I just wanted to update you guys on what I thought of the market. I'm not super bullish short-term on it. Long-term, I don't think the bull run is over. But that's what I'm looking at for right now. Someone wants to look at Cardano. If you guys want to see the charts, CryptoBoss Andrew on YouTube, that's where you can see the screen. Yeah, Cardano, let me go to the daily chart. I know we have major support at the $1.05 level. Currently at $1.42. On the daily chart, you actually got to buy about a week ago, not even a week ago. So big time frames looking very good for Cardano. Now you have that major resistance, which I think you almost got rejected off of hours ago, 2 days ago, I should say, 2 or 3 days ago. You got rejected off that $1.50 level. And now you're consolidating back down, although I do not expect it to go down to $1.05 unless Bitcoin breaks below 33,000. If it does, if it goes back to 30 or 31K on Bitcoin, I would expect Cardano to retest $1.05, that level. That level of support is very, very, very strong on Cardano. So if it goes back to around $1 on Cardano, I would pick up some if I was trading Cardano. Personally, I'm not, but if I was, that'd be a great level to get into Cardano. If we go to smaller time frames, though, if you guys are just trading it, the 6-hour chart has a sell on the Bollinger Bands. If we go over to the 1-hour chart, it is a buy, so short term could be going up, but I don't see us breaking $1.50 unless Bitcoin can get above $38,000. So, or I should say $36,000, because I know that's also a little bit of resistance, or that's a reversal level on Bitcoin. So, and we're only 8 cents away, so Bitcoin doesn't have to go up a lot for us to break $1.50. We just have to get some momentum on Bitcoin, in my opinion. But Cardano, long term looks very good. Short term, it could go down a little bit if Bitcoin fails $33,000. Do you think when Coinbase adds a coin you should buy and sell in a day? It depends on the coin. It depends on the situation. I think there used to be a pump and dump. When Coinbase would list a coin, it used to pump up like crazy. But now that Coinbase lists new coins like literally every week, or it feels like that, the pumps are not nearly as good. So I wouldn't say that's a good strategy anymore. So you have to play it by ear. It used to be a very good strategy. Now I would say it's not as good of a strategy because they list too many coins. It's so regular. It's nothing new. It's not even. In my opinion, it doesn't even make the news unless it's a major coin. Like, I don't say SHIB's a major coin, but a lot of people know what SHIB coin is. And if that got listed on Coinbase, which they said it would be, it isn't now. I don't think. I think that's stuff that maybe you would risk buying. But if Cardano was on Coinbase, I would risk buying that. I know when. I think that, I don't remember, maybe it didn't have a Coinbase pump, but I thought it did. So safe coins like that, or meme coins that a lot of people like, are coins worth buying. But if no one knows about coins, like I know GTC just got listed on Coinbase, some people thought it would be a pump, and it just went straight down. So be aware of the coins. It's just play by ear. At this point, I don't think there's much of a strategy anymore, unfortunately, so I wouldn't be doing that unless it depends on the coin, I guess, is my point. Alright, so with that being said, thank you guys for joining this quick stream. I will see you guys tomorrow at 8 p.m. Central Time. Until then, see you later.